What's going on, you guys? I'm gonna do a really quick video today on reverse lights, LED reverse lights to be more specific. These are the BotePon 1600 lumen reverse lights, and it has some really great reviews on Amazon. And let's open it up. I already took it apart, but I just want to make a quick video on what it looks like before I put this one in. Sorry, my hands are dirty. I just installed the TRD exhaust. So this is what it looks like. It actually looks really well made. And there's 24 LEDs. Same exact thing on the back side. And check out this LED. Look how bright that is compared to the factory one. So the LEDs on the left side and the factory one is on the right side. So it is extremely bright. This is daylight outside right now, and just look how bright and clear and white that is compared to this one. It looks yellow. So it's completely changing the look of the car in the back. It gives it a really new modern look, and it looks incredible. So I do have a link to this specific product in my description below. If you have a backup camera like I do, this is the whole reason I got it, is because I have a backup camera and I want the back part of the car to illuminate like extremely well for the backup camera to be able to show a clear picture. So we're going to actually wait until it's nighttime, and I'm going to put both LEDs in and see what it looks like with both of them on, and we'll see how bright it is at night. So we'll come back later tonight and check out the video. So we're gonna do a really quick installation on it, and installation is super easy. For the Celica, you have this panel right here. You just clip this comes off, and you look into your lights right there, and it's going to be this black one right here. Just twist it to the left and then pull straight out. If your lights were on, be careful, it's going to be really hot, so you want to wait until your light bulb is cooled off before you touch it. Okay, so now we're going to replace that light bulb with the LED light. So you get your LED light. All you have to do is take this bulb and pull it straight out. Pops right out. And then here you have your LED and the light bulb. The LED is just a couple millimeters longer than the factory one, but you have plenty of room in the stock housing for this. So to put it back in, you just same exact way you put it out, just push it in like that. If you notice that this is loose, on some cars you might notice the prongs are a little loose. All you have to do is use a screwdriver or something to put those prongs closer together. That way you have a better grasping force onto the LED. So there you go, right there. And if you put it in reverse and your light does not turn on, just take it out and turn it around and reverse the polarity. So that's it right there. Now you just reverse it back in. So turn it to the right, it will click in place, and then that's it. And then you put your cover back on. And that's it. That's the installation. Super easy. And then you know, just put it in reverse and then check them both. I'm taking the night shot for the reverse LEDs, so I just want to show how dark it is out here. There's only one street light, but as you can see, it's pretty dark out here. Now I'm going to turn on the reverse lights only so you can see how much they light up. So as you can see, they should light up quite a bit. Super bright. so you can actually see how bright it is. So those are the reverse lights. They're incredible. If you guys want to pick some up, I have the link right in my description below. Go ahead and check them out. They're amazing lights. So thank you guys for watching.